Nah, pertama-tama ketik dulu Invideo di browser kalian. Klik Invideo AI. Klik Try on Web. Nah, kalau udah bakal muncul tampilan kayak gini. Ini kalian masukin aja alamat email kalian untuk bikin akun di Invideo AI. Nah, selanjutnya klik Create Account. Nah, nanti bakal ada email dari pihak Invideo, isinya itu kode, isinya 6 angka. Nanti kalian masukin di Invideo AI. Masukkan kode yang udah dikirim di email tadi. Klik Create Account, terus bakal muncul tampilan kayak gini. Ini ditanyain nama sama nama untuk workspace. Ini saya isi nama saya. Kalian bisa isi sesuka kalian. Ini ditanyain alasan bisa nemuin Invideo. Terus ditanyain juga mau pakai Invideo untuk urusan apa. Nah, kalau udah bakal muncul kayak gini. Ini kalian ketik aja, kalian mau bikin video kayak apa, kalian bikin prompt atau bikin perintah yang ditujukan ke Invideo AI. Bikin perintah sejelas mungkin ya, supaya hasilnya juga maksimal. Ini masih loading, terus ada pilihan audience, look and feel, sama platformnya. Kalian sesuaikan aja sama kebutuhan kalian. Ini loadingnya sebenarnya lama banget, tapi ini saya cepetin. Nah, ini hasilnya, tapi sebelumnya kalian pilih dulu resolusinya mau berapa. Ini sengaja saya cepetin, karena nanti hasil akhirnya bakal ditaruh di akhir video. Nah, kalau misalnya ada yang mau kalian ubah atau kalian mau nambahin perintah baru, nah bisa diketik generate di sini. Terus ini pilihan kalau mau download videonya. Ini ada yang premium dan gak premium, kalian sesuaiin kebutuhan kalian aja. Kalau udah, kita bakal suruh nunggu selama beberapa saat. Dan ini filenya lagi proses di download. Untuk ukuran videonya sendiri itu 160 MB.
Hey there, future educators and curious minds. Today I'm diving into some of the top teaching methods that can transform learning experiences in just 3 minutes. Let's get started. First up, we have This traditional approach involves the teacher delivering content directly to students. It's great for covering a lot of material quickly. However, it can sometimes be a bit passive for students, so mixing it up with other methods can be beneficial. Next is Here, students are encouraged to talk about the subject matter, ask questions, and share their perspectives. This method promotes critical thinking and helps students deepen their understanding through interaction. Now let's talk about this hands-on approach lets students work on a project over an extended period. They apply what they've learned to real-world problems, making learning more relevant and engaging. Plus, it fosters teamwork and problem-solving skills. Moving on to In this model, students first learn new content at home via videos or readings. Then they use class time for exercises, discussions, or projects. This method shifts the focus from passive to active learning during class time. Another effective method is, here students ask questions, conduct investigations, and build new understandings. It's all about curiosity and exploration, helping students become active participants in their learning journey. Then, This involves students working together in small groups to achieve learning goals. It encourages collaboration, communication, and accountability, as each student's contribution is vital to the group's success. Finally, we have This child-centered approach allows students to learn at their own pace and follow their interests. It emphasizes independence, hands-on learning, and respect for a child's natural psychological, physical, and social development. So, there you have it. A quick overview of some top teaching methods. Whether you're a teacher looking to mix up your strategies or a student curious about different learning styles, these methods offer a variety of ways to enhance the educational experience. Remember, the best approach often involves blending several methods to suit the needs of your students. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content. Catch you in the next video.